Hi, I'm Larry Becker, and I've been a camera reviewer for years. I've also been a camera trainer, and I have more than a dozen classes over at KelbyOne. And I couldn't be more excited about my latest class because it's about the brand new camera I just bought, the Canon 90D. This is an amazing camera, and it's packed with all kinds of power user features, like 32 megapixel images and burst capture rate of an amazing 10 frames per second. And over on the video side, you can capture uncropped 4K video. You can even shoot full HD video at an amazing 120 frames per second. My new KelbyOne class is for pros and beginners alike. It's all about helping people who have never shot anything but a smartphone or high-end pros. And I get everybody up to speed fast. Trust me, this is not a camera class like what you've seen online, where you feel like somebody's reading a manual to you. This is a class that I would teach when I just show my friends what to do with their new 90D. It's time for better pictures and video. It's time to check out my latest class exclusively on KelbyOne.com.